Hello everyone, my name is Mithlesh Kumar. I am basically from Rohtas, Bihar. I did my graduation in BTech with Electronics and Communication branch from Punjab Technical University. I have always been interested. I joined eVision. I got to know about eVision through my friend. eVision is an IT recruitment and consultant company. In eVision, I joined full day job internship program, and in short duration, I learned a lot here, like Windows administration, CCNA, network fundamental, Linux, cyber security, ITIL, etc. And with the blessings of lovely trainers and placement team, I got multiple offers from multiple companies, and finally I got selected in HCL technology with the package of 3 LPA. Thanks a lot, eVision. Thank you.